Hey y'all, this is Cheryl and welcome to another Watch Cheryl Scrap. This is actually for Christmas in July. I have quite a few unfinished December daily projects still going on. So this one is actually for 2016 and this is from December 3rd. Kind of hopped around in the month, but I've been trying to go back and see what I missed and what I wanted included. And one of the things I wanted included was the fact that we watch football still in December. This is actually the Southeastern Conference Championship. We're huge Alabama fans, so uh, we don't go to the games, but we love to watch it on the TV. So um, there are my photos of our TV. And then the actual athletic department shares images on social media about game day. And then if we win, they'll share another little graphic that says share the W. So I've included those on the page as well. And I've used a combination of a couple of kits on this, Gridiron by ForeverJoy Designs, and then Sporty Football by Kristin Aagard at the Lily Pad. And then I also used a couple of other I think I used like Holiday Hangups and Cottage Christmas from ForeverJoy, and then I pulled a couple of blue pieces from the other Sporty lines, I think for Sporty Baseball and Sporty Soccer, just because there was blue in the photos, and I just felt like without it, it just seemed like a little blank. So you'll see me add those pieces towards the end, but that's all the products that I use. And I started out with of course, my photos are all over on the left, and I have them situated in such a way that the game day and share the W are, overlapping a pretty good part of the photo. The one part I did leave in was that top photo on the left, and you can just see our little stocking hanger with one of our stockings there. And you can see some little Christmas decorations that are up by our television. So there's some little Christmas trees up there as well. So here you see me add in a couple of those blue elements and some flowers, because even though it's football, I'm watching it, and so I'm all about adding some flowers in. And I do add uh, I think it's the things from Cottage Christmas and the Holiday Hangups that I add towards the end because it, you know, it is Christmas time. I wanted to include it in my December daily, so I felt like it needed to have a little bit of Christmas. So then I add the little foliage that's green and red, and you'll see it. That's, I think, the next thing that I'm pulling in after this little flower. Yeah, there it is. So it's a football girly Christmas page. Very odd, but I like it. I like how it turned out. Uh, just I just went because I'm trying to finish this up. I'm not doing anything remarkable as far as techniques or anything go. It's just a regular old scrap page, but it's like one of the things I wanted to include because that's part of the thing. One of the things that we do that seems to be a thing that's becoming, a bigger tradition now that I have been a fan for about 6 years now. Oh, Um, I will do the custom shadows and journaling offline, and you'll see that coming up here in the close up in just a second. And there's that last little flag. I love that it's a sports banner, but it's for Christmas. So it says believe, which was perfect. I hope I inspired you to do some Christmas layouts of your own. See you next time.